Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Bors with the Mike Bors channel. Thank you for watching. Working on a 14X Strider bike. We are going to show you how to install the snow skis. Let's get started.
All right, DIYers at the workstation now. This is the Strider 14X bike, and in a previous video, we removed a pedal kit. And that is the pedal kit. In the event that you are curious on how to install or uninstall the pedal kit, we will post those links down below in the description section as well as the comment section. Definitely check those out. You may find them helpful. However, in this video, we are going to install these skis because let's go over to the window and take a look what's outside. Snow. Back to the workstation, and we've got our instructions, and we've got several parts as you can see here. And very first thing we're going to do is grab the 4 plastic connections that feed into the skis. This is a very important step because the plastic parts for the front ski are going to be inserted and secured the complete opposite as the rear ski. As you can see here, the angle, let me grab one of these. All 4 of these are the exact same. So you'll notice it's angled in toward my finger moving. And for the rear ski shown here, these plastic parts must be installed inward and facing the center or closest to the center of the ski. And all these do is snap right into place. And what I recommend is putting your fingers here and pushing until they are flush. As shown here, I had to set the camera down because this part was pretty stubborn. You had to give it some muscle. I'll grab the second part here. Again, angle in toward the center and align it properly and press down until this piece is flush with the ski. So once you get the 2 pieces on, that is what they are supposed to look like. And now the complete opposite for the front ski. Again, the angles will be out and away from the center as shown here. Carefully align and insert these and press them into place until they are flush with the bottom portion or upper surface of the ski. All 4 parts are installed on the 2 skis, and back to the instructions. It's very important that you carefully remove the plastic shield that goes over the spoke. Just by removing that Phillips screw, you can pull that out and off. And from here, again, just check the pictorial image instructions. Make sure that you have done it properly. We are going to flip the bike over and rest it on the skis. I've got the skis facing forward, and all I'm going to do is pick the bike up and carefully align it on the skis. I have to shift this back a little bit so I've got room for the front tire. And slide it all the way back until it rests in place as shown here. What I did next was turn the bike 180 degrees so it matches the instructions here, and we are going to feed these straps. You've got 1 large and 2 small straps for each tire, and these are Velcro, both the small and the large. So what I'll do, again, reference the image and make sure you install these properly. I'll install them and show you what they look like. At this point, I've got the straps in place, and on the back side of the ski is a little slot that you slide the strap through, and you want to make sure the Velcro side is down on both sides. However, for the upper strap, you want to make sure the Velcro is facing up. And on the back side, there is a little slot that this will slide through, and it will come all the way back around each steel portion of the frame. And I'll change camera angles and tighten these. What I'll do is I'll start with the very back or most rear strap, and you've got 2 loops here. Make sure you feed the strap through both loops and pull it tight, but not all the way tight, because you have to actually feed this strap through the center here as shown here, and carefully pull and tighten the strap on the loop just by maneuvering it slightly. It will actually create a very solid wrap around this wheel. And again, this is the Velcro portion. Slide it through, and on the back side is where it attaches to the strap. I'll shift the camera. We are going to do the exact same thing to the front. Take it through both loops, tighten it up, feed it through that loop, and once it's through that loop, just carefully pull and tighten the 2 together. Make sure it's tight and strap it in place. The way I'm inserting the top strap is I've got the Velcro on top. I'll set the camera down, and the top strap only has 1 loop. All you'll do is carefully slide that through, and again, inside here is that little cutout that makes it pretty convenient. And through the loop and pull that tight. And once you got it very tight, the Velcro is on the bottom. and just feed that in place and make sure you're not catching on any of the spokes or the air valve. And as you can see, that didn't take much time at all. Now we'll do the exact same for the front. And again, referencing the pictorial image in the instructions, I will loop the strap around the fork, and I've got the Velcro portion on the outside as opposed to the inside. I will take the strap through the loop, pull it tight, make sure you're not harming your air valve or any of your spokes, and shift this where the two Velcro portions meet, and make sure that's tight. Back to the instructions, go ahead and grab these little plastic locking keys or tabs and position them in the same manner as shown in this picture here. We're going to insert and lock these two pieces together on the skis. Now, prior to installing these, take note that at the very bottom of that part is a cutout, and once you get these two pieces flush, you can carefully insert these locking keys or tabs inside here and through the very bottom of the lowest point of those tabs that were inserted and pressed into place. And I'll start with this one right here. Kind of go up at a slight angle and press them in place, and these should go in without a hammer. Both sides of the rear is complete. I've inserted one on the front, and again, these should slide in very smoothly without a hammer as shown there. And again, that's how they are supposed to be inserted and secured and locked in place. Back to the instructions, and this is not locked, that is locked. Again, take note of the position of those parts as shown here, and that completes the project. Hopefully this helps, DIYers. Hey, do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel, definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. And our next project, check this out. We have the smaller Strider Sport with skis to install. And in the event that you have this bike and you want step-by-step guidance on how to install the skis, definitely check out the link scrolling above. Thanks again for watching, and we hope to see you there.